Welcome back, my heroes. They called me today cause they said they heard an alarm beeping. Well, 9 out of 10, that's the smoke alarm is beeping. Starring Lamar Brand and Camel. I gotta see what's going on and why is it beeping. But you know that's why they called me. Who? The Boiler Heroes.
They called it in. Told me to keep hearing this beeping noise coming from the boiler room. Now that I'm in here, I already know it's the smoke alarm. Oh, they got sneakers hanging next to the burner. A lot of water on the floor. What if them sneakers fall on the floor? It's a wrap. So let me reset the smoke alarm. And it's not resettable, so something gotta be up with the smoke alarm. Looks like it fell. Or something like that. Most likely a vibration or something caused it to be out of place, because it probably was in place earlier, but something happened now that is out of place. So I'm gonna get my tools, go up there and just replace it, line it up, try to get this smoke alarm to stop buzzing.
Get the drill and shit, and I gotta see what the hell's going on with the smoke alarm.
I know I gotta plug this tube, so let me go get my plug-in tube stuff as well. But that's too much noise, so let me at least unplug the smoke alarm to get it to stop beeping.
Let's see what happens like that.
We can leave it like that since we're not running the boiler anyway.
I need the other.
I'm not sure if the water leaking caused the smoke alarm to do something. I'm not too sure about that, but I doubt it. There's no way both of them are connected. I'm pretty sure the smoke alarm happened, and it just so happened that I walked in and then there's a tube leaking. So we're gonna see about that. Damn, I dropped the light in the water. Still works. It's an HMB light.
Want to empty this water out.
You gotta be careful with those back doors. My uncle once got burned. One of the dogs snapped. The door swung open with all that hot water falling on his foot. Got burned. You gotta be careful.
Them shits was before right there. It's over. That's crazy.
I'm grabbing the ladder to fix the smoke alarm while the water pours out from the back. Let's see what we can do with this smoke alarm. Plug it in, for we know that it stops beeping when we got it. See how I just spun it and it just stopped? So we gotta position it like that, tighten it up.
Look at that.
Well, now the smoke alarm is fixed. Now it's time to plug this tube. It's really hot in that boiler, so we gotta get as much water as we can out. So I plugged the tube. Now let's start this boiler up. It was a tube that was once plugged. Had to replug it again. These tubes are getting bad in these boilers, man. Gotta start changing these tubes.
You got a big boom?
I was trying to ask him if the boiler exploded like a big boom, but I don't think he understands what I'm saying.
Problema. Está bien.
Oh my heroes, the smoke alarm was beeping, not because the boiler was smoking. Well, maybe because it wasn't seeing the sensor. It fell down. Had to pick that thing back up. We got it. Got that boiler running though. They should be good now. They gon' get their heat and hot water. I'm pretty sure they thought that boiler was smoking even though it wasn't. But everybody's gonna be happy now. The reason they gonna be happy is because he came. Who?